Rachel! Rachel!
Batman!
Rachel!
Batman!
Not so fast. Riddle me this, Batman.
Riddler, no.
If you aim to give us a shot, we'll riddle you. What are we?
Oh. That is a stumper. Say it again.
If you aim to give us a shot, we'll riddle you.
Batman, it's Bullet.
Wait.
No hints. Is it?
You think the answer to my riddle is buh.
I heard Rachel say.
Don't worry about what she says. Worry.
Is it? Helicopter.
All right, now what did I say that would make you think helicopter?
That's what you said. If your aim is to... I have no idea. Man, I'm just shooting in the dark.
Listen, if you aim
With a gun.
to give us a shot, we'll riddle you.
With little pieces of metal that are called...
What are they called? What's gonna come out of the gun?
Injustice. The tools of cowards and criminals.
Are you serious right now? Because I've got about 10 more of these riddles that are way harder than this one. This is like just to introduce the concept of me riddling you.
I got it. It's you. You're riddling me.
In this context, the word riddle doesn't mean a joke or a brain teaser.
Whoa.
Sometimes words have different meanings, like the word bat could be an animal or a baseball bat.
I'm a bat.
You're not a bat.
Is the answer a small boy's Sunday trousers?
No.
Is it Invisalign braces?
For real, what do you even see in this guy?
Honestly, I don't know right now.
Is it a bag of steel-cut oats?
Multiple choice.
Great idea.
What comes out of a gun? A, bullets.
That sounds good to me.
What are B and C?
There is no B and C.
No B and C? It's a trap. Lucius, I need help.
Of course.
It's a riddle.
Go ahead.
If you shoot and aim, I'll riddle you.
Is it helicopters?
Right? That's what I said.
It's bullets!
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 Riddles with bullets is a common expression!
Okay, wait. How could a bullet riddle me? It doesn't have a mouth.
Oh my God! I told you the riddle. The answer was bullet. You were supposed to say bullet, then I was gonna shoot you. Like this.
You know, if you're gonna tell riddles, you shouldn't give away the answer. Totally ruins the fun. You wanna ride?
No,
I took the Batwing.
I think I can find my own way home.
You sure? The sky is beautiful tonight.
Batman, what's going on?
Yeah, call it off. I'm pretty sure it was a helicopter. This guy just didn't want to admit I got it so fast.